Huge Jupiter impacts. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It's almost the size of one of these dwarf stars, brown dwarf or red dwarfs. It sweeps a lot of material from its surrounding environment, including comets and asteroids passing by. One of them was in 1994, Comet Shoemaker Levy 9. It impacted the planet, left the huge plumps, several huge plumps, and left the scars on the planet's atmosphere. We know that such impacts happen a lot. 2009 was an example of it. You see it in the lower part of this video. 2010, another impact happened. And then we had another one in 2012, this one. And later we found another one in 2016. This one shows in 2016. And later we found that there is another one, as you can see in this video. They are happening in front of us, and we cannot do anything but just wait for them to happen.